Here's Ralph Lauren luxury shopping app. So yeah, a lot of people trying it out during Black Friday, Christmas holidays. There are some deals and discounts, and there is a separate app, so it can be easier for you. And also, like sometimes only in the app they offer some kind of discounts and deals. Yeah, and then there is a new feature where you can try it out in AR. So here you can just open it up and then notifications. You can share your location depending where you are, and then continue as a guest, or you can also create an account or register, and then yeah, there is yeah, interesting ideas. So for example, there is some sweaters here, like Christmas like bags, and yeah, then you just browse it. It's like a standard shop. Then you can also discover best of polo brands. Then you can also see all the stores, and then you can see all the accounts. Yeah, so that's the app. And also you can choose app icon. Yeah, it's just sometimes it's just easier to shop from the app than just opening your laptop, going to the website. If these new apps are kind of quite good and quite smooth, so it's quite convenient.